Hello, I'm Russ Heintz. I'd like to talk to you about Flexco's belt clamping solutions for heavy-duty applications. In addition to lockout, tagout, and wearing proper PPE, clamping your belt properly is one of the most important steps you can take to avoid a catastrophic event, such as dropping a belt. Serious injuries are possible when clamping is done without using the proper tools. Engineered belt clamps are designed to work specifically with conveyor belts up to 8 metric tons or higher. Homemade belt clamps are typically made from common materials such as a piece of lumber or angle iron that can easily fail under loads. Flexco FAR-PUL HD belt clamps have a 3-ton capacity and can handle belts from 7/32 to 1 inch thick. They feature heat-treated, extruded aluminum clamp bars with adjustable steel scissors and retaining pins. The FAR-PUL clamps can be used on belt widths up to 72 inches. For heavier duty mining applications facing 6-ton and 8-ton capacities, we have our TUG HD belt clamps. In this design, the high-grade aluminum bars feature an extruded non-slip grip pattern, along with structural steel ends that clamp over the belt. The modular components allow for increased versatility and portability, handling belt widths up to 96 inches. TUG clamps can also be joined in tandem to accommodate higher load needs. Short bars are available for use in profiled belts, such as chevron or corrugated sidewall. All Flexco belt clamps are designed to properly secure and clamp a belt for safer conveyor maintenance. Setup and operation are fast and easy. Belt scissors and clamp ends can be positioned to accommodate varying belt widths, eliminating the need to stock several bar lengths. For belt clamps that are designed to meet the most stringent safety standards and provide ultimate strength across the entire belt width, choose Flexco. For more information on our belt clamps or any of our Flexco maintenance tools, visit flexco.com.